Hey guys. Morning, 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 you guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Alwande Jabalala, and this is Moments Unfolded with Mam Sheng, and that is moi. You guys, it's a beautiful morning. Yes, it is it's a Thursday, you guys, and sorry, I was just looking outside. It's a Thursday, you guys, and I just wanted to give you a snippet of my weekday routine. For example, when I'm going to work, just like today. Yeah, I just made the bed. Okay, first things first. I started with brushing my teeth. I did not vlog that. Washed my face, prepped my lunch, hung the clothes because I had done laundry. That's exactly what I normally do, you guys. You know, before Friday, I start doing the laundry. Like I was just doing all the blacks. Tomorrow on Friday, I'm gonna do the lighter clothes and then I'll be done. That's how I get to maximize my time. During the week, I make sure that, you know what, if I know I'm done with wearing black things and dark things, I'm like, okay, it's fine. Let us do the laundry because the baskets, was definitely full. So yeah, right now I just made the bed. And you guys, I don't know why when I was doing the bedroom resets, I did not think of putting the scatter cushions like this. Because when I turn them, they don't contrast well with the fur. They look like one and the same thing. But just see the difference with this and this. I'm gonna put up the thumbnail that I used for that vlog. But anyways, I am loving my bedroom. It's still fresh. Everything is still clean. Nan. So yeah, we'll do the spring resets later on, maybe in the next 2 weeks. But for now, I'm just enjoying the space. You guys made the bed now, so I'm just gonna am I gonna shower or am I gonna take a bath? I'll see, because yesterday I cleaned my shower. So I'll see. But I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in on Moments Unfolded with Mam Shengu. I hope you have subscribed, and if you have not subscribed, just do the right thing, because you know what, like I drop nothing but premium content. Please don't forget to like the video. The more likes, the more traffic that you generate to the channel. So, and the most important thing, I don't know why I'm putting it at the end, guys, we don't skip ads. You know the drill, most. Okay, just as the vlog premieres, let the ads run through. Whenever you see an advert, just let it run through and be like, Lalela, Mam Shengu gives us premium content. This is my way of appreciating her, and I will definitely love that. You guys, I don't think I have time to show you my face routine, but it's gonna come up in the next vlogs, because today I'm rushing to work. I don't want to be late. But let us just see what we get up to. I'm not even sure what I'm gonna wear. You'll see, guys. I'm just gonna wing it. But yeah, we've opened up the vlog. Let's see what we get up to on this vlog. Love, Mam Shengu. El amantombazane vez. Aua. Ayafana mos 1.3.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Hi guys. Man. Hey guys, it's me once again, Mom Shing Uswazi Dongamavuza Ustawasultuli Lalela. Spring has sprung and the florals are out to play. Bright colors, etc, etc. And I think you can see we've got some unboxings to do. But before I proceed with my unboxings, earlier on in the vlog, yes, I went to game. So you guys, I bought a fridge. Yes, I bought a French door fridge, but not for myself. Okay, not for myself, not for my place. My place still has my mirror door Hisense fridge, but the fridge that I actually purchased is for home. So, okay, like, guys, I just said that I wanted to, you know, when the year ends, we've all got things that we want to tick, okay? Either you're doing stuff for home, for yourself, for your kids, whatever. Yeah, boom. So now this is just something that I was like, okay, yeah. So this is what I did. They went to game in Ladysmith. The fridge wasn't on sale. Funny enough, it wasn't on sale in Ladysmith. I said, fine, leave it to me, okay? You guys, I checked online because they wanted the Hisense one. Funny enough, ekhaya, we are actually doing the vice versa. They have been using Samsung appliances, microwave, fridge, everything Samsung. Besides the TV, that's LG. Mina ngapha I've been using Hisense, and now we are going kanji shy X song so big. I'm now going the Samsung route, they are going the Hisense route. But then again, I have been telling you guys, Hisense is a great brand, okay? It is a great brand. So the fridge is a French door fridge, 575 liters. I checked online, the original price of the fridge range is around about 25,000 because Game also had it at 25,000 rands. I said, I am not paying 25k, guys. I'm not paying 25k. I'm So what does your girl do? I keep on plugging you. I keep on telling you, before you purchase any of these electronic items, these appliances, just check online and then Game will beat the price. Funny enough, Macro, it was 20,000 at Macro. Yeah, so I felt like 20,000 is still a stretch, you guys. So guess what I did? I googled the fridge using the SKU, which is the model number. Perfect, I found it. Okay, I found it in a store, Modern Day Living, somewhere in Polokwane. I was not gonna drive to Polokwane. You know what I did? I went to Game Centurion. You see, I didn't even have to. The reason why I actually went to Game Centurion is because I was in Centurion. So I was like, let me just go do this in Centurion. Got to Game Centurion before they actually closed, you guys. It was such a quick process. I told them I'm looking to purchase this fridge. It was on sale also at Game, but I said, Lalela, I'm not purchasing it for this price. I'm actually beating the price. Ubaba who was assisting me was like, sharp. I actually took the screenshots and then they actually goes it online because they clearly wanted to verify. They printed this, they stapled it with my receipt. And then I told them, this fridge that I'm purchasing, I'm not going to be collecting it from here in Gauteng. I will be collecting it in Ladysmith. They said, no, it's fine. It's doable. So guys, at Modern Day Living, the fridge was actually 19,000. I keep on telling you, go to Game. They will beat the price and give you 10% of the difference. Which means that the fridge is 19,000, right? And I'm not paying 19,000 because Game would beat the price. So the difference between 20,000 and 19,000 is 1,000 rands. And then 10% of 1,000 is 100 rands. I ended up purchasing the fridge for 18,900. Let me tell you this, you guys. They went and fetched the fridge on Monday. Monday, the fridge was at home, okay? And the only thing that my dad had to do was plug in the... he's yet going to install the handles because the fridge has got handles. But let me tell you, the fridge is beautiful. It's a French door. I also want a French door fridge. You know what? I told my sister, I said, Lalela, I think my knock days are over. Obviously, I'm going the Samsung route. There is a Samsung fridge that I'm eyeing, but not now. You see, not now, maybe next year. But the fridge is beautiful. One day I'll show you guys whenever I'm at home. So look out, and I have to highlight you guys. You see, Black Friday, I'm not saying that the fridge is not going to go down further. But let me tell you, Black Friday in South Africa doesn't Black Friday like Black Friday in the USA. Okay? So most sales happen between now and November. Okay? Just keep a lookout. November, it might not be this price. Or it might even be higher. Guys, I have been monitoring Black Friday. I know how they are doing it. So approximately how much did I save? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, I saved 6,100. Imagine 6,100 because the original price of the fridge is 25,000 rands. I beat the price at Game for 18,900 rand. The fridge is gorgeous. The fridge is gorgeous. I know my home will be beautiful. The fridge is beautiful, you guys. Yeah, so And then I also went to Puma. Lalela, if you're a Sandawana fan, Mina, I'm not. My sister, she's a Sandawana fan. She's been wanting a Sandawana jersey. So I said, Lalela, let me just take you through and see. So if you are interested, Sundowns fans, go and purchase. Otherwise, my KC, my people, if you're a Kaizer Chiefs supporter, just do this. Just give me the peace sign. Okay, let me know, because I'm gonna purchase the old school jersey, but let me know when the sales are, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, like because Kappa is sponsoring and I don't even know the shop where Kappa is. But for Puma, I'm not buying Sundowns. That's for my sister, ne? Yeah, but I'm just plugging you goods. If you are interested, go there. So you guys, back to today. I actually went to Mall of Africa. So shout out to my subscriber Kanye. Yes, it's Kanye or Kanye. So shout out to Kanye. She's been telling me, Alonda, please don't forget poetry. Poetry is having a sale. Alonda, please don't forget poetry. Poetry is having a sale. Poetry. Hey, you guys. And I'm like, okay, I will definitely go there. I also check online. Like, they notify me when they've got sales. So today, I actually went to poetry. So that's exactly what we're going to be unboxing today. Let me start with poetry. Yeah. The plastic bag is poetry, but I have some PepHome items here as well. But let me just show you what I got at poetry. Hey, you guys, all that I can say is So at poetry, gorgeous stuff. But this is what I fell in love with, and it was the last one. So I said, I'm buying it. I'm buying it. Guys, you know me. I love anything marble. I love anything rustic, your acacia woods. By now, you ought to know that. So this is what I got at poetry. I got this rolling pin. Look at that. You guys. And the original price was 500 rands, and then I got it for half price, and it was 259. It is heavy, I'm not gonna lie to you, but you can imagine me just being a housewife. When's Nara Smith? Hello guys. Let's bake some scones for my hubby. Okay, I don't know how to do that accent, but you guys, this is me, gay. Okay, I'll be like, hey guys, it's me, Umam Sheng Sos Dong, and I'm a Stava Sulsuli. Lalilan, let us bake for my future husband. So this is beautiful. You see, the marble is the same. I've got the same marble throughout the whole house. And best believe, I did not purchase it from poetry. Some is from Mr. Price Home, some is from Superbalist, some is from Home, etc. So marble, I think it's set now. Guti marble fine throughout the whole world, honestly speaking. Look at that. Guys, look at this. Look at this. So this is the only item that I actually got from poetry. I didn't have money, honestly. So I just said, let me get this. Yeah. PepHome. Yeah, this one, we did not unbox it in the last video. Yeah, but yeah, we didn't unbox it in the last vlog. I was too tired, honestly. So this is what I got from PepHome. Let's see. This is more like a platter. Yeah, this is more like a platter. Yeah, this is it. It's black. And it was just 99 rands. It came in another cream color. But let me tell you this, you guys. You can buy a black one if you want to use it for decor, putting your decor things, your perfume, your diffusers and whatever. If you one day you're bored, spray paint it, honestly speaking. Okay? Spray it. Like matte black, spray it white, spray it gold if you want. But I got black. And I want to see, I'm thinking of putting it somewhere, but in the bathroom, because the basket, if you recall the basket that we purchased, I don't want it to get water when I'm taking a bath. Ne? So, I don't know. I'll try this. If it doesn't work out, I'll see if I'm going to keep it. But if not, I can just always return it. So, this is what I got from PepHome. Yeah. Hey, you guys. Hey, PepHome. So, I got these two. Guys, this color is beautiful. I love it. Okay, ngiyaithanda mina, ngiyaithanda. Just check these out. Check these out, you guys. Like, only these ovenware dishes, only 99 rands. Same as that platter dish, 99 rands. So you can roast here. So I got 2 of them. You can roast here, you guys. You can make your salad, you can plate it whichever way. You can also make it like a bowl, for example, if you want to put your fruits. And I have to tell you, I actually have 2 plates, round bowls like these. These ones are oval, those 2 are round. Let me just unbox the other one. You know, it's gonna get to a point. I can't wait when I actually have a bigger space and I have a dining table, so that I will be able to plate and decorate my place. For example, if I want to make a buffet, etc. Yeah, and then you'll see these ones. I want to say something to you out there. So this is how these look. Please look at how gorgeous they are, you guys. You see this brown? I'm loving it. Don't forget, we actually have the mugs in this color and 2 bowls that I'm going to show you. Okay, let me grab the bowls just so that you can get a gist. And the bowls were also 100 rands. PepHome again. I'm going to grab those and then just show you. Yeah. Okay, I'm just noticing that the color is not exactly the same. Okay, like I 20, but you get the gist. It's similar. I love these types of colors and shapes. You know, not everything needs to be black or white, the traditional type of kitchen feel. You want to spice up or zhuzh up your kitchen, guys, go ahead. I'm gonna be emphasizing to you right now. This is PepHome. You know me, go to crusade. But guys, there are those oven things that are just everyday things that you use. I have to say, there's nothing wrong if you use Le Crusade Monday to Monday. But I'm saying most people, you know, we like keeping it for Sundays, for lava, Sundays for church, special days, etc. But I'm just saying, Uguti, don't ever think Uguti just because I keep on plugging Le Crusade, Carol Boys, and all these nice names, to think Uguti you can't own such. Mina, I love luxury on a budget, and these oven dishes are just beautiful. They are just exceptional, just for 100 rands each. So I actually spent 300 rands at PepHome. Go out there, grab some more. There is just a lot. You're looking for a different color, you'll definitely find it. I wanted these 2. As much as they're not gonna do the matchy part, but if you play around them, remember you can add white plates, cream plates. You know, you're just gonna mash things up. You know, I'm honestly praying for the day I get a bigger space, because the dining will be out of this world. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call you in so that you can dine with me, Umam Sheng. Guys, can you speak about Edgars? Lalelan, spring has sprung, the wedding season is upon us. Okay, summer is here. If you are a bridesmaid, I actually saw some bridesmaids fitting some shoes over there. Lalela. I actually wanted to include myself and be like, hey guys, you can also just add me as part of the bridesmaid. Like, guys, yo, I was once a bridesmaid. Oh, I was so beautiful. Yeah. You know, at this point, I think people are just jealous. They know if they make me a bridesmaid, I steal the show. Guys, it was so beautiful. It was my sister's wedding. Anyways, I love that. I loved everything about it. But it's definitely exhausting and costly being a bridesmaid. But go to Edgars. Check out their shoes. Corporate girlies, my people, lalela. Unless you're working from home, but even if you are working from home, you have to own a great pair of heels, okay? Because sometimes you get called in the office, your interviews, and guys, those shoes that I was showing you, not all of them you have to wear in the office. Brunch, lunch, dinner, you know, date nights, you can just zhuzh it up. There was just a whole lot, some varieties. So now I just got my pair and I was like, lalela, I'm loving these ones. I've never owned anything snaky or something like that, so I just fell in love with the shoe. I cannot wait to style it. Okay, I cannot wait. Otherwise, Edgars always has sales over there. Guys, the Steve Madden bag that I saw there, the brown one, the tote bag, I just don't get why it was written Steve Madden, so like it was so big. That's what frustrates me with some labels. Guys, remember, I'm purchasing as much as, but maybe who knows, unless that bag goes down, like down, 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 I'll only purchase it then. For that price, with that cute Steve Madden, I'm not an ambassador for Steve Madden. Mina, they're not paying me. So I don't like these things. Like even at Puma, they know me. Anything with Puma this big, I'm like, nah, just give me the logo. I'm fine with it. Oh, Puma, just small, tiny bits. Okay, I'm not a fan. Even if it's Luella. Unless, and I'm gonna say unless, there is an exception. Unless, guys, the price they're literally giving it away. But I'm not stupid, I'll definitely buy it. But I'm not a fan of these huge labels. Let me know if you like them, but me now, and there's nothing wrong if you like them, by the way. I'm not a fan of them because it now feels like I'm walking around there busy telling them I was sponsored by APC. No, had I been sponsored by them, rightfully so, I can do that. But since I wasn't sponsored by them, I'm like, no, you guys, like, no. But then at Edgars, guys, and these ones were actually on sale. That's the nice thing. The actual price was 329 rands, but I got them 466 rands. So, Mamacita, there was no way I was gonna let these shoes go. And the label here is Kelso. This is how they look. Is it snake or leopard? Anyways, get to, so you guys. I've never owned anything like this, so I'm actually stepping outside of my comfort zone. And I like the fact that they are not pointy. My heels, all of them are always pointy. I like the sharp heel, but I just decided to say, you know what, so yeah, I can wear them with anything black or white or brown or beige. Yeah, plus they've also got this design. You'll see one day should I wear them, but this is my buy at Edgars. Yeah, and I just wanted something out of my comfort zone because I normally just wear black heels to the office. Black, brown, guys, that is the safest option in my field. But then now I want these shoes are just not contrasting well with the thing that I'm wearing. Now it's all like, let me rather do this. Because you guys are not going to see the beauty of the shoes with my dress. It's floral, it's leopard, there's green. Okay, you get the gist. Nah. Okay, I'm loving this. I'm loving it, you guys. I definitely love these. So, yeah, you guys, right now what I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna relax. I was too lazy to go to Checkers. I'm actually gonna do Checkers 66. Is it 60 or 66? That number. Yeah, I just want to grab a few items there, and then that's it. So I'll see you later on when I actually close off the vlog. But let me know so far what you think. Okay, we went to work. I did my morning routine. We went to game Puma Centurion Lifestyle for the Puma thingies, for the sundown thingies, and then we went to Edgars and poetry. Oh, poetry, my darling. I wish I could just afford everything. I told you guys, poetry is one of the stores that I'll just actually like to wear. So one day I'm gonna change my closet. It's gonna be poetry, it's gonna be Zara, it's gonna be H&M, it's gonna be, well, we no longer have starter force, so Mango, what else? Aldo, what else? Oh, Old Khaki. Okay, I'll recall, but I used to know all of these labels these shops that Country Road, Witchery, Trinary. Yeah, I know my list. Like, Hebana. So, okay, you guys, I'll see you later on. Sharp. Just don't forget to put a thumbs up. Don't forget. I'll see you guys. Sharp.
Hello, Mama.
Hello. Hey guys, man, I'm ready for my power nap now. I'm ready. The Checkers 60 guy came through. Heaven, guys, never and never again shall I ever order ice cream via Checkers 60 or 66. Yeah, that thing was a milkshake by the time it got here. Nah, I don't know, man. It's fine. I like my ice cream like that. I don't like the hard ice cream. Even if I want to have ice cream, I usually leave it out for a few minutes and then have it. But again, now, hey, my door is open. Yeah. The skin. Oh, you guys. Shame. I'm definitely coming up with a skin in the face routine. Shame. It's long overdue. You guys, I actually just want to close off this vlog. I want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking. And if you've watched all the ads, okay? If you have skipped a few, it's okay, no worries, okay? You can just proceed and watch the other vlogs and don't skip the ads then. Guys, the only way I can make some moolah here on YouTube is if you guys watch the adverts. So for someone out there who does not understand, if you watch the whole adverts, do not skip the adverts, let it play through. Only then will I get something yana just to put a smile on my face to keep this channel growing, ne? Guys, I'm so in love with my pin, my rolling pin. You guys, I'm so in love with it. The gold is golding, but it's actually bronze or brass. Yeah, something like it's not gold. But I'm so in love with it. And I have a rolling pin that I got from PepHome. I'm assuming toodles. Yeah, this one will be exclusive. So I'll be doing this like so you guys, I'm loving it. If you are interested, don't forget to check out Poetry. Hopefully it's still there. Yeah. You guys, from myself, Umamshengu, Uswazi, Udonga Lamavuso, I want to say thank you. Okay? That's it. Guys, please do make sure that you follow me on Instagram. This is my handle. I'm trying to grow my Instagram profile. I know that uploading there, I have not been consistent, but guys, I was so overwhelmed. I think you saw from the previous vlog, me being admitted to hospital. There was just a lot going on, okay? So I feel like I've neglected Instagram. So please follow me on Instagram if you're not following me. And then I'll be uploading like unboxings, even the old ones. It's okay, just like those videos. You guys, some of these brands, if we want to work with them, they actually want to see your Instagram profile. They want it to pop, and I'm not gonna lie, Instagram is very difficult to penetrate. For TikTok, I think I'm okay, but I'm not saying don't follow me. You can still follow me on TikTok and Facebook, ne? And if you're interested in advertising on Moments Unfolded with Mam Shengu, the email address is alwandechabalala.mutwm@gmail.com, or drop me a DM via Instagram. Make sure that you're following me and your account is not private, by the way. Okay, that is how we can make this channel grow. Otherwise, you guys, I'll see you on the next one. In Tanda Jingeman.